Today, Sarah and I are going to put to use these beautiful greens that come from the beets. In fact, when you buy beets and the greens are attached, make sure as soon as you get home that you cut them off so that it doesn't suck out, the leaves don't suck out all the moisture out of the beet. But we're gonna put them to good use. We washed them thoroughly because there is a lot of dirt trapped in the leaves. And we're gonna cut the stems off because these cook a little bit longer than the leaves. As you can see, here are all the stems, but we will use these as well. We're gonna cut them a little bit in smaller pieces, like so, and we're gonna give them a head start. And they are full of iron, vitamin C, fiber, and it's just nice to know that everything of this has been used. We're gonna transfer them right in here, and then we're gonna get to the greens. And here are the greens. And we're gonna cut them into probably sections like this big. My mom raised 5 children on a limited income, and she was a master at using everything and not allowing anything to go to waste. And she always managed to make an amazing meal, even out of simple things with simple ingredients. We'll put this back in here. You can see there's a little bit of water left over from when we rinsed them. And we're gonna set these aside because first we will start with the stems. Now we're gonna get some garlic and divide it up. Just a few cloves. Quickly crush it like this, and they're easier to peel. And we'll slice these nice and thin, just in pieces about this size. There we go. And then we will add some cayenne as well. Some peperoncino, that's if you like heat. And that's about good, just like so. The oven is lit, and now we're gonna heat up the pan. Here we're gonna put a generous drizzle of olive oil in, and then we'll put our garlic in there and the cayenne pepper. Give it a stir. And it's right in here where we're gonna put the stems in. Now the stems, and we will slide this in the oven to give the stems a nice head start. We're gonna cover our stems up and slide them inside the oven. Let's peek inside. Oh yes. Look how gorgeous they look. We try one. Perfect. Now we can add the greens. We're gonna add just a little bit of this lemon zest, and that's just gonna give it a fresh flavor. And now to this, the greens. A bit of salt. And then we'll put the top on. And this pan goes back into the oven. Let's slide it back in and allow the oven to do its magic. Let's peek in here. Oh yes, you see, all it needed was to wilt, and this is ready. Since the oven is still nice and hot, we got some bread here, so we'll be able to get a taste of the greens. We'll slide it in and allow these pieces of bread to toast. So here what we've done, we have done pane abbrustolito, toasted bread, with which sometimes you can make fritunta, which is bread with some olive oil and salt on top, or now we're going to use it for our greens. And here are our beautiful greens. We're going to top them off with just a bit of lemon juice, another drizzle of olive oil, and now we're going to get a piece of bread and get some of this fresh garlic, rub it on here, a little bit of salt, just a little, another drizzle of olive oil. Now, just like this, it would be called fritunta. And then we're going to place these wonderful greens right on top. And the aroma coming from here, from the lemon zest and this earthy tone from the beets is absolutely delicious. Now we're going to wish you un buon appetito. Mmm. Mmm.